You know the sense of aggravation when you try to build a small account and nothing seems to work. If you try countless strategies and still aren't witnessing real results, this video is for you. Today I introduce you to method that got me our stagnation and can change our game too. Today we're gonna use for $5 and start to use that. I have something extraordinary lined up just for you. Keep on watching the video until the very end and we'll be thrilled. For the strategy today, guys, we're gonna use alligators, alright, and parabolic SAR, classic candles, and 5 minutes of time frame. Okay, so just use that parabolic and alligator. Let's start with that. For jaws, 11, 4, teeth, 9 and 3, alright, lips, 7 and 2, and that's style, guys. That's up to you. I'm gonna use blue for all the 3 lines, okay? So right now for the parabolic SAR, we're gonna use 0.005 acceleration and 0.15 to maximum acceleration. The style we're gonna use green ocean. So a couple more clicks and everything is ready to work, and it's look very simple and beautiful, guys. So let's start with that. Alright guys, first to choose the amount. That will be $30 for the first trade expiration time. It's 3 minutes, alright? I have already done analysis and I pressed the green button, as you can see, to open that to buy trades. It's not complicated, guys, and that's probably the best example to start with. I just found a crazy strong signal and now I showed you how to analyze it. According to the tutorial for the strategy, the analysis always begins with the intersection of 3 lines and the alligator. Here I saw it about a minute ago and the blue lines cross each other and a green candle literally shows up, alright? The jump, it's very big. It's so very good opportunity for us to just let it get away. And besides the alligator lines, I madly saw new parabolic points below the candles. Guys, whenever parabolic is below the candles, it's a buy trend. When parabolic is above the candles, it's a sell trend. Above and below, just pay attention on that. That's very simple. Before, when I found this situation, I quick open and buy trade, but probably if I had opened and trade about 1 minute ago, it will have been better because candles really flow by higher. Look at the general. That's all you need to know about indicators. Alright, that's important. It's really very easy to find a signal have every 10 minutes, and the most important things to know some rules that will help improve our results. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. I will talk about it later, alright? Don't worry about this. I'll talk about this. But now I want to add this trade on this currency pair, alright? Yeah, guys, you can use any setup to work with this method. You can choose that, it's up to you. So don't be afraid to try. This is the strategy with another one. This approach work everywhere. And it's worth mentioning that is just one of the strategies that can revolutionize your journey in this market. Remember that. To become a professional, it's crucial to master the most profitable strategies, guys. But don't worry, I've got 2 exclusive pieces that we'll talk about of the content for you that will be the key to grow your accounts. So stick with me until the end of the video, guys, and enjoy it. Okay? So right now, let's pay attention on this one. Okay? As I said for you, we got all the parabolic points on that. We got intersections of 3 lines on the alligator. That is our point. And that is after of a good falling. Okay, we got a falling on that. An intersection, the lines just point to up. And that is all we need to do this. Alright? And look at that, guys. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we got our first win on that. $57 in profit in 3 minutes. The signal was very strong. And now I look for something else for the next. All right, guys, look that again. Time is 3 minutes, and I open on a sell trade right now. As you can see, you already understood how I do analysis and how I check the indicators. That's not new for you. So now let's talk about the rules. As in the previous signals, look at the candles. I see the very strong and fast movement here. All right. The red candles are falling very fast and the lines have crossed with each other. The probably has given new points and this movement continues. It's very simple, guys. Look at this, okay? You can see that. The first rule to look for similar situation. Don't need weak late current periods for the strategy. It's sad that really jump work best before. Always look at the market's behavior before the signal and try to choose the best one. Remember this, that's important. The second rule, guys, is a combination of the time. Okay, if you choose a time frame of 1 minute and the expiration time is 30 seconds, for example, most likely these indicators will not give a real result because the currency settings are perfect for the time. That strategy gives results while set up this and don't recommend you to experiment. All right, so just follow the exactly time that I'm showing for you right now. And that was I'm talking about this. This is stated in description and reviews, and I hope you won't repeat other people's mistake. All right, and treat it secret participation. Yeah, guys, it's better to wait 1 or 2 minutes to check how the candles are moving than to open signal very early. Okay, or in the worst case, that will be a fake one. All right, so let's wait for the result together. Look at that, guys, and look, there's another win and profit right now. Very simple and very fast, only 6 minutes. My amount in the total is $123. So let's move on the next and last trade right now, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, look at this. The last signal gave me a profit. And this position is not the best, but it's look more stable than the previous one trade. I have a look at the currencies over the last minutes and I see that there's a good activity here. That's not perfect, but that's good activity. All right, look at that. It's the same point. Parabolic SAR. The line is just crossing each other, the alligators, and that is a huge downtrend. All right, so let's try to work and then wait for the results. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Yeah, guys, look at this. $160 of net profit on that for one signal, and this is just the beginning, right? $200 in the total in my account. It's really for beginners, guys. You can use that. It's a very simple method of analysis and search for a signal. So I like this method. There can be losers and strategy, but today I did a successful tax. It's a good trade session. I like this method. I like this trading strategy. Yeah, guys. I think that but the practice and you can achieve better results. So I recommend you that you try, take a screenshot of my signals and my position, try to do this by yourself. Then write your opinions in the comments, guys. That's very interesting for me. So right now, wish you good luck. See you soon on my YouTube channel. Wish good luck, trade session, good profits, and see you. Bye bye.